Alright, so inside this course, you'll be able to learn, first of all, the secret to creating a high quality, high converting webinar product. Without having a product, no sales skills will help you in actually delivering the webinar. So you need to have a high quality product that will convert. Number two, you learn how to price it and how to automate everything. Now, webinar products, they're expensive. They have to be, because it's your personal time involved, and people who join, they'll be much more enticed to buy a high priced course after they've been with you for 1 to 2 hours. For cheap items, you don't need such a long presentation. So webinars should be built around high priced, high ticket items. All right, so you need to have that in mind. Now, the perfect webinar presentation, you learn from how to start it so that you grab people's attention, to how to make them trust you and see you as an authority in the field, to teaching them what they need to know so that they're able to benefit from your offer, and then finally presenting the offer in such a way that it's absolutely irresistible for them and makes them buy your product. So you learn everything about it, from how to set it up to how long each part should take and what you should do at every step of the way. We'll go quickly over the technical part so you know how to run the GoToWebinar, how to actually behave and what to click during a webinar presentation. Now we'll also cover briefly traffic strategies, ways to get people on the webinar, actually watching it and signing up for it and turning up on the day of the webinar, so that you actually have an audience listening to you while you present. Now, after that, we'll talk about how to set up the replay page, replay emails in such a way that people are actually excited about seeing a replay and then buying the product even on the replay, even after the live event has ended. Now, we've also got 2 bonuses for you to get you up and running the fastest way possible. Number 1, you learn how to do webinars even when you don't have a product. So if you don't have a product at this stage and you don't feel like creating one, then stick until the end. You'll know how to actually be able to run webinars even without a product. And finally, you'll get my best high converting webinar template so that you can just plug and play it, adapt it to your product, and then start doing webinars without having to create your own presentation from scratch. Sounds good? If so, move on to the next video where we'll jump straight into the content, straight into how to create the perfect webinar product.